Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 55 how to unmute an account on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and make sure we are signed into the account. And now we can navigate to the account that we did mute in the previous tutorial. So I can go to my DMs, the account, and now if we click on the right top corner of the application, 3 dots, and where it says mute, we click on mute, and now we can unmute the story. Click on mute, and so now the account has been unmuted unless we click on mute post and mute story. Go back to the profile. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.